Okay, so I basically need to season and toss my meat, sear it up. Okay, I think I have everything in place. I have my stew meat, salt, pepper, flour, red wine, mushrooms, carrots, onion, garlic, tomato paste, bone broth, bay leaves, thyme. I'm not doing potatoes. I don't like potatoes. So there's that. Sous vide? It's beef stew. How would I sous vide it? Okay, so I've got my stew meat here. I sous vide steak, but oh my gosh. This is some big chunkers. Let me empty my garbage bucket real fast. I'm wondering if I should cut some of these pieces smaller. Because they're kind of big. They're not too bad, actually. They're cut pretty nicely. Some of them are pretty big, but they'll cook down. So stew meat was on sale at Whole Foods when I was there, which is why we decided to do beef stew this week. And I have been so freaking excited. Hi Sneaky, how are you? I've been so excited. I've been having a really hard time waiting. Hi Pouncer. All right, I'm gonna do black pepper. Yeah, I can't have any like fermented stuff. I think fermented food is okay, but like I'm not allowed to eat like